Hey everyone, my name's Jayani. I'm here today with Iconic London to talk to you about a brand new and exciting product launch. This is the Velvet Smooth Pore Refining Primer. Glow where you want and blur where you don't. Who says that you can't have the best of both worlds? Velvet skin is so in. How to use. Apply your skincare, allow it to sink in, and then apply a thin layer of product all over the skin, melting it in with your fingers. For ultimate blurring power, add a small amount of extra primer for areas that typically have more texture and are prone to shine. For me, that's my T-zone. Straight after applying the Velvet Smooth, I'm going to go in with my Iconic Super Smoother Skin Tint. You can also use this over makeup. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how. To knock out any sort of shine or to reactivate the blur, take a small amount of primer, warm it up between your fingers, make sure you do not drag, and make sure you gently press this into the skin. Watch the shine gently disappear. Wow. And that is it. I hope you've enjoyed learning all about Iconic London's Velvet Smooth Pore Refining Primer. Thanks for watching.